എന്റെ പ്രസ്ഥാനം Indian National Congress.
The Indian National Congress.
എന്നെ വലിയ ഒരു ഉത്തരവാദിത്തമാണ്.
A big responsibility has been given by the party to me.
അഖിലേന്ത്യാ കോൺഗ്രസ് കമ്മിറ്റി നേതൃത്വത്തോട്
I in fact thank the AICC, the Congress President Rahul ji and everyone. I thank them from the bottom of my heart. What made me
ലക്ഷക്കണക്കിന്
be the choice is because of the hard work that has been carried out by the UDF leaders as well as the workers of the UDF. I have reached here. I have a lot of my thanks goes to all those who helped me reach this position. There is a huge responsibility that has been given by the people of Kerala. They have given us 102 seats. With the things that we have promised the people, that we will ensure those policies and those promises are implemented, that will help in elevating the lifestyle of the people, and a new Kerala would be put in place, where the state would be entering a new century, and we will work towards that. Our politics is for the people of the state. We will in fact change what it is to be for. We will in fact define public service. I see this as a divine intervention. There's a lot of people who have helped for this victory. The AICC is the one that strategized and helped us in fact get this kind of a victory. K.C. Venugopal was the one who in fact looked into all the aspects that was required for the elections. The campaign committee chairman, our former opposition leader, KPCC president, as well as KPCC president Ramesh Chennithala, has also carried out huge effort in ensuring this victory. I thank Ramesh Chennithala as well as K.C. Venugopal. I also thank KPCC President Sunny Joseph and also AICC representative Deepa Dasmunshi as well. I express my thanks to all of them. This is a huge responsibility, and Kerala has given. Kerala is in fact going through one of its deepest crises. We have a picture of Kerala that we have in mind, a vision of Kerala that we have in mind. We need to in fact save Kerala, we need to make it into a new Kerala. And that can happen only if everyone works unitedly towards it. We need to form a good team. One person alone won't be able to do it. We need a team to lead into that vision. I give my thanks to the people of Kerala.